Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili fish sauce. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for preparation. This simple yet powerful condiment, often called prick nam pla, is a staple in many cuisines. It offers a perfect balance of salty, spicy, and tangy notes, elevating any dish. We will walk through each step to ensure you achieve a delicious and authentic result, perfect for enhancing your meals. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 3 to 5 fresh Thai chilies. You can adjust this amount based on your preferred spice level. Next, prepare 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, either thinly sliced or finely minced. For the base, measure out 3 to 4 tablespoons of a good quality fish sauce. Finally, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice on hand to add that essential bright, tangy flavor. Now let's get to the preparation. First, thinly slice your Thai chilies and garlic. For a milder sauce, you can remove some chili seeds. In a small non-metal bowl, combine the fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a half teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Then, add your sliced chilies and garlic to this liquid mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until the sugar dissolves completely, ensuring all components are well combined. Once your chili fish sauce is mixed, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve it immediately as a versatile dipping sauce for grilled meats, seafood, or as a condiment for rice and noodle dishes. For any leftovers, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. While fish sauce itself is shelf-stable, the fresh ingredients mean it's best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days for optimal flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.